Hello, I am Latashia Palmer. I am a holistic educator, an iridologist, a hypnotherapist, herbalist, and an author over 30 books. Today, I want to talk to you guys about medicinal vegetables for health. And this is part of my series of medicinal health. And this book is very good. It's a guide to benefits and uses, and it lists out all of the different vegetables. Each chapter has its own vegetable, and how it is set up is like my other medicinal books, where this is asparagus and it lists out all of the benefits, how it helps your body. And then on the other page, it will show you the quick reference guide so that you can just go right to this page and you could look at what it helps. This helps the lungs with weight and so on and so forth. And on the next page, all my medicinal books have the recipe on, things that how you can add it into your diet. And it shows a recipe here that you could make. And let me go into the different vegetables that are in this book. So you have asparagus, artichoke, bell peppers, bok choy, callaloo, eggplant, horseradish, kelp, leeks, mushrooms, parsnips, pumpkin, red cabbage, sweet potato, Swiss chard, squash, wasabi, watercress, yams, and then I have a conclusion. So every household should have this book because you can start utilizing vegetables into your diet that are going to help specific body functions, and you will be able to share this with your family. Thank you so much. You can find this book on mysubconscious.therapyworks.com. It's also on Amazon. On my website, you can get the ebook right away if you order through Amazon. Of course, you have to wait for shipping to get the hardcover book. So thank you. Bye.